Hello students. Now in this class I will going to discuss about the important concept in business environment, that is importance of business environment. So that is, as a manager or as an executive in the business enterprise, why you need to scan the environment, what are the main uses that we can able to get by scanning the internal and external environment which is relating to our business enterprise. What are the benefit that we can able to get by scanning the external environment of the business enterprise? There are mainly 6 benefits that the organization can able to get by scanning the total environment which is relating to the business enterprise. Those all 6 benefits are described as follows. Let's see each and every benefit with explanation. So the first importance of scanning business environment, it enables the firm to identify the opportunities and getting first mover advantage. So where by scanning the business environment, we are going to identify the opportunities which are available to enhance or to expand our business organization to manufacture the new product which is to be demanded by the customers in a particular society. That is why by scanning the environment we can able to identify the opportunities which are available to us in starting and in enhancing the business organization. So that is why early scanning of environment gives maximum benefits and increased market share, and also we can able to beat with the competitors. That is why by learning or by scanning business environment we can able to get the maximum benefits, and we can also able to get increased market share, and we can also able to compete with the competitors in a particular market. So that is why by scanning business environment we can able to identify the opportunities and we can able to get the first mover advantage. That is why scanning of business environment is necessary. By scanning the business environment we can able to identify what are the new opportunities, what are the new ways that are available to get entry into the business field, and what kind of the goods that we can able to manufacture as per the customer demands and taste. That is why by scanning the environment we can able to get the maximum benefits, increased market share, as well as we can able to beat the competitors in a particular market. So this is about the first advantage or the first importance of business environment. Then second importance is it helps the firm to identify threats and early warning signals. So it means by scanning the environment we can able to get or we can come to know the problems and the difficulties which are associated with our organization in a particular environment. So then only we can able to identify the threats and the early warning signals, where the second importance is by scanning the environment we come to know that what are the problems that we might have face and what kind of the difficulties that we can able to face in the future period of time. So that is why by scanning the environment in a systematic and careful manner, we can able to know what are the difficulties that we can able to get in the future period of time. Based on that, we can able to prepare the solutions well in advance. That is why it is very helpful in identifying the threats and the early warning signals. Here the threats are nothing but the problems or the difficulties which may be occur in the future period of time. That is why by scanning the environment, it helps to know the problems and difficulties that may be going to appear in future. Based on that, we can able to prepare the advanced solutions in the business enterprise. This is about the second importance of business environment. Then third comes, it helps in tapping useful resources, where by scanning the environment we can able to know the raw materials which are available in the environment. So by scanning the environment, we can able to get the information relating to where the raw materials are to be available for making the manufacturing of the goods and the services. That is why by scanning the environment, we can able to tap or we can able to get the useful resources. That is why where by scanning the environment, where we can able to get information about the customer needs and we can able to get the inputs which are required to satisfy the customer needs and desires. That is why scanning of environment is essential in nature. So that is why we have to scan the environment. Based on that, we can able to get all the information which is relating to the customer taste and preference. Based on that, we can able to get the raw materials which is available and we can able to fulfill the customer needs and desires. That is why it can able to get the useful resources. That may be availability of raw materials, that may be availability of human resource, that may be availability of technology. That is why by scanning the environment, it helps in tapping useful resources. This is about the third importance of business environment. Then fourth, that is, it helps in coping with rapid changes. So where while explaining the features of business environment, I told you that the business environment is dynamic in nature. So where always the environment is not constant. Keep remember, environment is not constant. It must change according to the time and the situations. As per the change in the environment, we have to adapt and we need to modify certain changes within the organization. then only we can able to adjust with the external environment and we can able to continue the business operations. That is why the business environment help or the scanning of business environment help in identifying the changes external environment. According to that changes in external environment, we can able to make certain modifications in the internal business environment. So that is why whatever the changes that can be made in external environment, by making certain changes within the organization, we should have able to balance with that changes. This is about the fourth advantage of business environment. Say for example, change in technology. So initially you are going to use the old machines and old equipment in the production process, that may leads to higher cost of manufacturing and the production will not be completed on time. So that will going to take more time in manufacturing the product. But nowadays there are certain technological advances were made. According to that technological advances, you need to implement the new technology within the business. That is why whatever the changes that can be made in the technological aspect, according to that technological changes, you must implement the new technology. Then only you can able to match with the changes in external environment. So that is why it help in coping with rapid changes. Say for example, implementation of GST. The government has made a plan and implemented to adopt the GST. According to that changes, you must implement you must practice the GST method. That is why whatever the changes made in the environment, according to that you must make certain modification that will help in changing the internal environment. Then fifth is, it helps in assisting in planning and policy formulation. Assisting is nothing but just guiding or helping. So where scanning of environment help in preparing the plans and policies of the organization. So you know about who is going to prepare the plans and policies, means generally the top level managerial executives, they are going to prepare the plans and the policies. That is why the business environment help in making the and formulating the policies in the business enterprise. That is why plans are made in keep with the environmental factors. According to the environmental factors, we are going to prepare the plans and we are going to formulate the policies of the organization. So this is about the fifth importance of business environment. Then last but not least, it helps in improving performance. So where the business environment ultimately reflect in improving its performance. How it means? By changing the inputs and by changing the systems in the organization, we are going to make certain changes. According to that, we are going to improve our organizational performance. That is why by scanning the environment continuously and systematically, whatever the changes that can be made in external environment, according to that, if we implement all those changes, means automatically the organizational performance is also get improved. So that is why it also help in improving organizational performance as well as individual performance. This is all about the importance of business environment. There are mainly 6 benefits that the organization can get by scanning the environment.